Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question English 2018 question number 8. In each of the questions 4 to 13, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or words or phrase in italics. The severity of the harmattan helped me to complete my writing assignment in record time because I had no choice but to lock myself indoors. The word in italics is severity. So which of these has a meaning that is opposite to that of severity? Option A, warmth. B, mildness. C, moderation. D, leniency. Severity, something that is very severe and harsh. The opposite is mild, something that is mild. So option B is the likely answer. But before we assert that, before we affirm that option B is the answer, it will be good we know the meaning of the other words. So let's look at the first word, severity, which is the word we are looking for the opposite meaning. It means the state of being severe or harsh. So severity simply means the state of being severe, and we know that being severe simply means being harsh. So if the weather is harsh, that is, it is severe. Warmth is when you have something that is moderate in temperature, like something that has moderate temperature, something that is not too hot is said to be warmth, or something that is nice also. But mildness is state of not being harsh. So mildness simply means not severe. That's the direct opposite of severe, and that makes option B the right answer. Moderation is something that is moderate, just like warmth, but while warmth is talking about has to do with temperature, moderation has to do with something that is moderate. But in this context, the moderation of the harmattan, the structure of the English is not very good. Leniency is also something that is not harsh, but in this context of harmattan, you have to pick something that is something that will go in and comfortably take the contents of the other words around, and that is mildness. And that's why mildness is the right option for this. Thank you.